Hello there, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022, and we are here in the library, so I cannot talk too loud. We have here only one regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku puzzle. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, yes. And 1 binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. But first we will do the Sudoku Medium. And what's the news of today? Well, there's no news. No news in the newspaper except the forecast of the weather forecast. And the weather here this week very beautiful. Today 30 degrees, 27, 24, 23, 26, 26. Yes, so we have nice weather this week. Yes, no raining, beautiful week with the weather. Alright, Sudoku Medium number 4837. 4837. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah, we have a 7 in this row, last row, 7 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see, cannot continue with the 7. How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in this second row, so no 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, there only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Or here. Yeah, 3 possibilities, but we have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright, okay. How about 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. first, the one in this row, the one in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the one should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6. 8, 8. 8, 8. Then, let me think. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 2. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 1, 3. We have a 9 in this column, last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. The 3 goes in that box. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those, 2 and 6, okay. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2, 2. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so no row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yeah. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, there are only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box could be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be 2. The 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. How about the 2 then? Nope, the 2 I cannot. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 9. 9 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9, 9. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. 5. 9, 2 and 6. Come on. 3 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left. Oh wait, yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Alright. Then 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then. Well, 1 box left in the middle row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. I've marked these 3 boxes with 3, 5, 6. We have a 5 here, so the 3 and the 6 are left. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. Nope, 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a Sudoku Medium. 2 stars, definitely. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.